Hi, I wanted to start off with Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, mothers, madres, aunties, uncles, anybody, dog moms included, anybody who cares for a kid, no matter what type of kid they are. Happy Mother's Day. So I hope you will stick around and see my Mother's Day gift. My Mother's Day gift is a gift from my husband, and it was purchased from a friend of mine. So I am super excited to open this box. It has been sitting on my table for several weeks, and I keep looking at it thinking, okay, I'm gonna open it early. Then I kind of go, no, it's not Mother's Day, and that was part of the deal. My husband's the type of guy that if he tells you you can have it early, but you can't open it, he actually means it. So I know how mean. So now it is the day before Mother's Day. Actually, it's that evening, and always have a box cutter. I am dying to see. I'm sure it's in immaculate condition because the person I got it from is just as picky as I am. Hi, honey. And I won't say that person's name just because. And it is, oh my God, excellently wrapped. You know, he's one of those people. I knew it would be excellently wrapped. I didn't worry about anything. Oh my gosh. And the bubble wrap, just so you see, is cut around the box. Isn't that adorable? He's so awesome. To reveal. Oh, and it's in, okay, it is in the dust bag. I didn't know it came with the dust bag. So, thank you. But I should have known. He's one of those people, I should have known that it came with a dust bag. He's so like me that it's, if I tell you here's something, it's not going to come without being on point. So, I'm not even surprised at all. There we go. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to do this up, but I'm trying to get it done quickly too, because I don't like to watch I won't watch 15 minutes of one person taking one item out of a bag, unless you're telling a good story to go with it, or you're funny or something like that. Maybe I'll listen, but if it's somebody who I don't regularly watch, I won't watch them ramble along just to get to the good stuff. So, all the bubble wrap. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. To reveal the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in multicolor. Oh my gosh. And it comes with the lock and the key. How adorable. Oh my gosh. Perfectly stuffed, as I knew she would be. Look at the patina. Don't look at my nails. They're terrible. But we already talked about that. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh, she's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now, I liked the Nano Speedy that's out now, that's available online, but I didn't like the fact the strap was not removable. For me, the strap was too short. It kind of came up under my boob, basically, and it looked terrible on me. And when I saw his, I was like, oh my God. Oh, and it comes with the original item card too. She is perfect inside and out. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. And I wanted the noir or the black just because I had the black Speedy already. And in Hawaii, I'm sure you all know it's humid here most of the year. And I think that yellow, the white will yellow over time. So I just don't want a white piece. I think they're gorgeous. But just for longevity, they're not for me. So I was just taking the lock and key off, Oh my God, pristine, pristine, as I knew they would be. Oh my goodness. Yep, I think I'm just gonna wear it like this and keep the lock on it, not on the slope side, on the I'm just gonna keep the lock on it like that. And oh my gosh, she is perfect. Thank you. You know who you are. Oh my gosh. She is a gorgeous flex. That's what she is. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put you on pause real quickly. Well, hopefully real quickly, and then do a what fits inside real quick. Has been my bag of the last 3 days. So let's see how much of the Louis Vuitton favorite items fit inside. So inside, I pulled them out so you don't see my card information, but my card holder from Saint Laurent, my, what is this, a key clay with just some cash inside, the mini pochette to match, of course. You know, I probably didn't need this all week, but I just had extra cards and dumb stuff inside. It's not like I went anywhere. A hand sanitizer. It has like a little pump on it. It's really cute, and it will clip to, or clip to with a pen, like a pen, or it'll clip on your bag if you want it to. But it is just a little pump hand sanitizer. Thank you. My 6-ring key holder, a work name badge, my earpod things, and the most ridiculously addictive Welch's fruit snack things. Someone gave me these and I've been eating them ever since. They are completely addictive, so don't buy them because you'll be hooked. So that's all that's in my favorite. Oh, one more name tag. And of course, the cherry charm, which I'm going to remove because I'm going to take it off and, you know, put it where she belongs, on that shelf over here. But to go back inside, the 6-ring key holder fits easily. The Saint Laurent card holder. These stupid fruit snack things that I'm hooked. I'll just say that. My headphones, easily. A hand sanitizer. I would probably put this in. Or I have the, the small ones from Bath and Body Works. And I also have the ones that are like just individual packets. So once you break the packet, it becomes one squirt of hand sanitizer. Those are awesome if you can find them from Purell. And my key clay fits into, but it is a little snug. No, actually, I've got plenty of room. I just need to organize it right. So you can see inside, it all fits easily, and it zips easily. Perfect. And I would probably just carry this as a mini flex, or put a gold chain on it to wear it crossbody or shoulder style. I've got a chain from Malto or from somewhere, or off another bag, that I can easily put on this. And actually, the bag, the strap that came with the doctor bag and it's somewhere up there, the cans bag are both black and thin, so I could probably put one of those on here too easily. And she's gorgeous. I hope you enjoy her as much as I do, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And I think that's about it, other than happy Mother's Day. Stay inside, stay safe, and stay with someone you love. Aloha.